Normally my videos are full of loads of information because I don't want to waste your time. I want to give you information, but today is just more an encouraging one. So this is where I lift. I've just been in lifting. It happens to be evening. Normally I lift in the daytime, but today just happened to be evening. I think Sunny just came back from Marbella, as one does. And I've been training this morning. I went for a massage at lunchtime. I mean, I had some great calls with people about property. Brilliant fun. And I love doing that kind of stuff. You know, I love all the education we do. And I do it because I love it, obviously. I went for a massage at lunchtime. And then I came tonight lifting. And the place was full of people lifting. It was brilliant fun. And I just want to kind of really encourage you to get on with property, because when you do property, for the first few years, you're going to be, going crazy busy. And after that, it allows you to make life choices that maybe you couldn't otherwise make. No boss is going to let me go lifting in the middle of the day, go to CrossFit in the middle of the day, go out for a massage in the middle of the day because I've got an impingement in my shoulder just now, which will get sorted. So please go for property, because in the long run, what a life changer. And good luck with it.